Hey guys, it's Toys and Play. Today me and my sister are going to be showing you the Noms lip gloss truck playset. So first we're just going to be showing you an overview of the truck and show you what's inside. So yeah. So I'm just going to be showing you how this looks. This is one of the sides. This is the front view of the truck. This is the other side, and this is the back. So now my sister will be showing you the things inside.
So first we have 3 lip gloss containers. They're really cute, so we have an ice cream sundae. And then we have a cotton candy ice cream cone and a bubblegum ice cream cone and its own little stand. And then at the front, we have our Num Num cold trio scoop, and it smells so good.
It literally smells like custard. Literally, it smells so nice.
And then we can just open this if you just want some space. And then we have both of our scents. They're kind of like colors too, but they're scents. And so this one's bubblegum. Oh no, this one's bubblegum and this one's cotton candy. And then we have this. It's glitter, but it sprinkles too at the same time. And then we have
this is the Vaseline thing, the actual
like
gloss.
Vaseline.
Yeah.
And then up on top of it, under it, so we have this little bunny where after you put all of the ingredients and mix the gloss up, then you just put it in there
and it comes out from that little thing.
And then we have the little handle, and then up here we have the little cupcake with the mixing bowl.
Show them the mixing bowl.
Have a little mixing bowl right there. It's like a cupcake thing.
Yeah.
And then we have like the frosting lid part. And then we have the spatula. And just put
it's like a little cherry on top, so it's really cute. So yeah. So I mean, now we're just going to show you the back of it.
And
so if you're trying to play with when you're playing with it, you can literally just pop this out, and you can literally put the glosses here and act like you're selling them. And it just looks really cute because there's a few pop outs and it's just such a nice playset. It's just so fun to play with. So now my sister is basically going to be making a lip gloss. So yeah. We're gonna go for the blue bubblegum flavor. Was it bubblegum?
No, it was
cotton candy, sorry.
Yeah.
Cotton candy, and we wanna use this one. So yeah.
So
we're just gonna get that ready.
First, all you have to do is just take stuff because you can need to. And you can just put your little container right here. And then first you have to get your little mixing bowl. And then you gotta get the Vaseline gloss, whatever you want to call it.
Wait, I think you should take everything out. So then you can,
and then
just leave this to the side.
And then first you have to get, you can divide it if you want, but you don't have to. So just put as much as you want.
It's good to put a lot because sometimes this thing, I don't even know what it's called, but it doesn't always take it all out. So it's good to put quite a lot.
So I think that's pretty good. Okay, and I think that's enough now. So we'll just put this.
Wait, is that enough?
Yeah.
Put a little bit more because
Yeah.
Last time it didn't really work as much.
I think that should be good now.
Yeah, that seems like a perfect amount.
And
just in case all of it doesn't come out.
The bottle, you have to take the bottle. And
it's so a little bit hard. He's cute because he has little
num
num thingy in it. It's a little bit hard to take off though. So guys, we finally managed to get it open. You basically just have to unscrew that, and there's this little piece inside. So, you know, that bit was the thing that helped us. So we're just going to put in the... Where's it? Flavor? Yeah, flavoring. Let's just say flavoring.
Normally you should put 10 drops, but I think we should just put like maybe a few. One, that's like kind of 2, and then 1 more, and then 1. Wow, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
I think that's good.
That's alright. Oh, guys, if you could literally
Just
smell it.
that.
It actually smells so nice. This is my favorite smell. Like the pink one, because we did the pink one earlier. It wasn't, I mean, it's nice, the bubblegum, but I'm not a fan of bubblegum. I'm really a fan of candy floss, so that turned out to be good.
And next we have to put the sprinkles.
So be careful with the sprinkles, because you don't want to put too much, because you know,
so first you
it's going to become too sparkly.
Take this off.
And it's so cute. Let me show you.
It's like,
it has little holes as well. It has little holes and stuff, and it just looks so cute. Can I put I want to put the sprinkles in. Okay. Wait, can you move the spoon? I think it's a bit, it's a little bit hard for the sprinkles to come out, but you just have to. I don't know if you
have
guys...
to do it harder.
Seriously? Okay, maybe you should just do it.
Yeah.
Because I literally can't hold this with one hand. As you guys can see, the sprinkles are coming out. They're so little, and they're just so cute.
I think that's pretty good.
Put in a little bit more.
Okay. Okay. Now the next thing you have to do is
mix it. Also, while you're mixing, if you think that there's not enough glitter or there's not enough flavoring, you could always go back and do it and just mix it all in again. It's not a problem.
Oh my gosh.
It's kind of hard to mix because you just literally
get stuck
everywhere. But, you know, just have to do it.
OMG, it smells so good.
Seriously, if only you guys could smell.
Okay.
So, I just love the pretty blue color that's coming out. And as you can see, I can't really see the sparkles anymore. There's just a little bit, so I think we should add a bit more sparkles.
Yeah. Or should we say glitter?
Yeah. It's so cute because it's like meant to be sprinkles, but it's like glitter, and I just love it. Because I want this lip gloss to be extra sparkly. Because the pink one we made earlier, we didn't put sprinkles in it, so it just became like a pink gloss. But this one, I want it to be extra sparkly because blue and sparkly is my fave combo. Seriously. Is literally, I love that stuff. Okay, I think that's enough.
Whoa. Okay. Now let's start mixing. I think that's pretty good mixing.
So now what you have to do is, well, first you have to try and gather it all. So try and gather it all like to a side. So then it will be easier. And then we are going to be loading it up inside here. And then we're going to be putting our little ice cream tub thing, putting it underneath here, and we're going to be using this to basically press it down. So yeah, it's kind of like a rolling pin, but it's not at the same time. It's just so cute. Look at the detailing. There's like a little cute bunny num num on it, and it's just so cute.
Okay, I think we're ready to put it in.
So we're going to be putting it in. try to get as much of the gloss as you can on top with your little spoon. And just basically.
Okay. Just gonna scrape it down in there because it's really hard. And then just have to get as much as possible.
Yeah, because there's gonna obviously be some excess left, so try to get all of the lip gloss because you don't really want to waste any.
Okay, this time I'm gonna put it on the bunny because it's like literally way too hard to put in.
So that's the easiest way you could do it as well. Let me just show them. So when you have the little bits and they just don't want to come off your little spoon, you could literally just put it directly on here and just spread it across here, and then it will be so much easier. So I'm going to put this in, and then can you get that ready?
Yes. So come on. Okay, done.
So
Let's just put it under there, and
I guess the stuff can begin, I guess.
so
Is it stable underneath?
yep.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have to hold it at the same time.
Yeah.
So should I go push?
Wow, that looks so satisfying, seriously. Wow. So obviously make sure you turn around your bunny thing because there's going to be so much is going to come out. So literally just twist it so as much of it comes out.
Oh no.
It's a little bit hard because you have to hold it. It will be better if two people are holding it, but obviously I'm holding, the camera, so it's going to be a bit harder.
Okay, I think I got all of it.
Are you sure? Give it one last push, just in case.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, that bit you can just scrape it, I guess. And then we can maybe, afterwards, you can even use your spoon to try and get the rest of it. So let's show the gloss. And look at how pretty this blue gloss looks. Like, seriously. Looks amazing. As you can see, we should have probably added a bit more glitter, but the camera isn't picking up that much, but you can see glitter. I don't know if it's picking it up, but there is glitter, but I think you just need to put more. Can you hold it, please? So if you want your gloss to be extra glittery, you could always literally put a lot, but obviously we just put a rough amount because so you can just use your spoon and try even it out and make it nice. It's a bit hard because you just made the gloss, so it's a bit thing. I don't know, but I kind of want this gloss to be spread out. And you know how you would normally buy a lip balm from the shops and then it was all spread out nicely? We don't know how to do that. So if you guys, know any tips on how to actually make the gloss sit and have the nice smooth surface, then comment down below because seriously, we really want the gloss to be smooth, not like this. Yeah, so comment down below, guys.
A little bit more to stick in there, and I'm gonna try and scrape some of the stuff off from here. Okay, that's all I can do.
So I'm just gonna lift this. Well, I'm gonna try to lift it. It's a bit slippery. Can you lift it, please?
Yeah.
It's a bit slippery.
Okay. This is not gonna go very good.
So guys, we managed to, take it out. As you can see, there's not that much gloss left here. So you can either just wipe this off or you can literally just take it from here and just dab it on your lips if you want. But, you could always try to scrape the rest in. And I'm not sure if there's any, see, there's not really any left in here. So that's a good sign that you didn't really waste lip gloss. So, yeah. So this is the aftermath of making a Noms lip gloss. Also, there's a lot of this left, so you can always refill and it's just so good. Like, I thought you could maybe only do this like one time because there's 3. I thought maybe you can only do the lip gloss one time, but turns out even after you do, we're gonna do all 3 of them. This one, there's still gonna be so much left over. So after they finish, we can literally go ahead and make more glosses, and it's just gonna be so good, and it's just so fun to play with. It's just a little cute activity to do with your friends or your siblings or whatever. And it's just so fun to do, and it's just so cute because then, you know, if you're with 3 people, so everyone can get one each. So it's just a fun game.
Yeah, and the last thing you're gonna have to do is obviously put
The lid on.
and then you could either play with it and put it there, or you could just put it back in its place.
Yeah. So this is the blue one, and we'll show you the one we made earlier. Can you open it?
Yeah.
This is the pink one we made earlier. I just love how, oh my god, I just love how vibrant the pink is. It's just so pretty. So yeah, we can put that back.
Okay.
And oops, I got some on my finger.
Okay.
So yeah. So guys, that was the end of our video, just showing you guys the Nom lip gloss truck playset. So make sure you guys please like,
Subscribe,
and comment down below what type of other videos you guys would like to see, and me and my sister will obviously try our best to do that. And yeah, tune in for next time. Bye.